Didn't even notice no punches that you roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so. I mean, I don't know why I'm not TikTok viral yet either. Hello, my beautiful angel. Oh my god, Ellie Darby in the house. Hello, my lovely, beautiful, wonderful specimens. I'm so excited to be sat down today. Lol, I shaved my armpits before this video and it kind of shaved the fake tan off and they also look grey. I'm so excited to be filming today. It honestly feels like I haven't filmed in forever. Well, I haven't really properly filmed a sit down video in over 6 weeks. A lot of you guys will know I've been away traveling, exploring the world, Miss Worldwide check. Today I thought I would come back with an assumptions video just to ease myself back into the swing of things. Also, how cute is my teddy? I won it in an arcade. I say I won it, but boy, she paid the price. I honestly spent over like 40 quid in the arcade for this bad boy, but how cute. I'm actually obsessed. She's called Elephant and she's gonna chill on my bed from now on. I asked you guys over on my Instagram to send me in some assumptions and I told you to not hold back. And boy, you did not hold back. You're an introvert. Girl, 210%. You were a rebellious teen. I was actually so well behaved. I like to think I was so well behaved as a teenager. I did like a couple of really naughty things and my mum and dad just found out, so I kind of just stopped trying. Sometimes I kind of wish I was a little bit more naughty. Not like really naughty, you know, not like Theresa May running through cornfields naughty. I was always so afraid of being like told off. Me and my sister are both the same, like whether it was by a teacher or by a parent or just by anyone, that I kind of didn't do stuff and I was always scared, but I did never get in trouble, so she's going straight to heaven. That your boobies are fake. Please enlighten me as to where they are then, because I'd love to know. I checked the lost and found bucket, but no luck. In fact, maybe we should send out a search party to find the lost boobs that I once had. You're a bare lightweight. Yeah. When me and Will were in Japan, I had like one alcoholic drink, but it was 9%. So I mean, that's quite a lot. They're called like chew highs and they're literally like a fizzy drink. I had a peach chew high.
No, 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 no.
And that is how we ended up with our love, Mrs. Elephant. Secretly smoke on nights out, but I'm not saying that's bad. I have never smoked a cigarette in my life. I hate smoking. I just really don't like it. And I hate to be that girl who's like, I hate smoking, but I just really don't like it. I find it really unattractive and I don't like the smell of it. It just doesn't really appeal. Not that smoking cigarettes is, well, it is gross. Who am I kidding? You come from a wealthy family and you're spoiled. I'm definitely not spoiled. I've kind of my whole life, I've always wanted to pay for my own things. I think that kind of goes for everyone. Growing up, I was lucky that my family sort of very generous, and me and Anna, my sister, had so many amazing holidays and lovely things, but I've never been spoiled. I've never been the sort of girl to be like, I want a Michael Kors handbag for my year 7 handbag. You know, that just was not me. My parents, like every other parents, were like, you want some money, you do some chores, you do this, you do that. I never really got allowances and I'm really grateful I was raised that way. I think it's a really great way to be raised. You have a lot more money than you make out you have. I don't even really know how to answer that question. I don't talk about money online because when you talk about money, it can breed a lot of jealousy or a lot of resentment towards you. It can just change the way people view you, unfortunately. So I don't really know how to answer that. Yeah. You and Will are engaged. Oh my god. I bought myself this ring when I hit 500k, but it was on the day of my birthday, but it was kind of a between 500k birthday present. And the amount of DMs I got being like, oh my god girl, congrats. It was a ring I got myself. I'm not engaged, don't worry. no weddings or babies coming anytime soon, thank you very much. You're super lonely. This is a really interesting one. As I said before, I'm definitely an introvert and I do really well coping on my own. You kind of have to be a YouTuber because the job is a very alone job, and I go days without seeing anyone other than my parents, and sometimes it gets to me, and I usually have at least one day a week I feel lonely. I think, hold on, doorbell. Oh god, no wait, I don't want to answer it. Oh shit, I've gotta go. Get mail! That was so awkward. I couldn't find the front door key, so I like poked my head out the window. I was like, hello. Ooh, Casetify. Wow, imagine if this was a sponsorship. How smooth would that be? Not sponsored, I promise, but hashtag gifted. Ooh, that's fun. Cute. Thank you, Casetify. That's so cute. You can really tell I've been in Japan. Everything is cute. You are moving out soon. Moving out soon. No, I don't really want to rent. I can't see myself renting anytime soon, but I really want to buy a house. I love the idea of buying a home. Oh my god, I'm such a nester. Honestly, the thought of buying a house actually gets me emotional because I love my home. I'm a very homely person. As I said, I'm a massive introvert, so I spend most of my time in my home. The idea of having my own home and making it beautiful, making it everything I want, living with someone lovely. I also need someone to move out with, so hi if you want to live with me. I want to buy because I want to make a financial investment with my money, but I want to do it in a couple of years when I'm ready. You earn lots of money. I don't even know how to answer that one because lots of money means so many different things to so many different people. Okay, I'm going to answer this 100% honestly because, as I said before, I don't really like talking about money because I just think it breeds jealousy and I think it can make people view you differently. I understand. I'm very privileged to be an amazing job. I love my job so much, and it's not a secret that being online you can earn a good amount of money, but I can genuinely, hand on my heart, say I have never looked at my bank account and thought, bloody hell, Floss, you're minted, because tax. Like, half my money is going to be gone in tax, so I'm terrified half the time. I don't do big blowouts. I don't spend a ton of money. I try to be really sensible with my money. I save so much of it. I have it all in a savings account. I'm kind of in my first couple of years of paying tax, so I see a number and I don't know how much of it is mine, so I just don't spend any of it. And obviously I've been away traveling, so I spent some money there. Oh god, I spent a fair bit of money there. £40 teddy in that. But yeah, I will not just splash it. I try not to just throw it away. I like to think I'm really sensible with my money. There is your answer. You envy but love Olivia Neal. I mean, who wouldn't envy Olivia? She's a 10 out of 10 all around. I get compared to Olivia so much. It's actually crazy. And on the video that we all did together, like me, Kate and Olivia, everyone was just absolutely tearing us to shreds. Everyone thought we hated each other, or everyone thought we were using each other. No, I love Olivia, I love Kate so much. I think they are such amazing girls, but we're all so different, and that's something I don't understand. Like, we all have such different personalities in our videos. We might share some of the same humor and stuff, but like, I'm not trying to be Olivia. Like, I love Olivia, I'm open about the fact I watch her videos, but I would never try to be somebody I'm not. Olivia, if you're watching this, I love you, hope you're well. Amsterdam look lit. You've lost weight. I got this one honestly so many times, and I didn't really know whether to talk about it because honestly I didn't really think people would notice. Yeah, I have. I've been going to the gym, I was eating really good. I actually got really ill in Cambodia when I went traveling at the beginning of January, because if you didn't know, I went to Japan, but I was also in Cambodia and Thailand for a month in January. I got really ill and I lost a lot of weight because that's what happens when you get food poisoning. I lost a lot of weight there, and I was like, literally, I look back at photos and I was like a twig. I'm happy with my weight now. I feel really good. I was going to the gym so much before Christmas because I wanted to slim down a bit. I just wasn't happy and I wanted to make a change, So I did. So I started eating cleaner, I ate less carbs because that's personally what helps me lose weight. I would go to the gym about 5, sometimes 7 days a week. Like, I was going a lot. I was really enjoying it. It was a really nice part of my day. You don't need to worry about me. I'm okay, I promise. It's things like this that make me realise people are watching me, because I just assume no one would notice, but I guess you guys have. You don't like making YouTube videos, then why am I sat here? That you smell nice. I smell like incense. You're a Tory. What do I really say to that? You like spending money. Girl, the complete opposite. I actually have separation anxiety with money. It's honestly silly. I don't know how much of the money in my account is actually mine, because hi government. It's just gonna take it all away. So everyone, that is the end of my video. Maybe some juicy questions were answered about me. Maybe I exposed myself, even though I'm really not a very scandalous person, to be honest. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It feels really good to be back in the swing of things. Let me know any other videos you really want to see down in the comments below. I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy. Give this... that is vile. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me. Leave likes and requests in the... Let's do that again. Leave comments and requests in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click the little notification bell to make sure my videos come up in your subscription boxes. I love you all so much. You are all such wonderful, lovely people. And I will see you all very soon. Bye. Ew, I never blow kisses. Ugh. Ugh.